Hello everyone, I'm back with another video on education tool, and today we are going to learn a very important concept in service marketing in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, in less than 5 minutes. The name of this concept is service flower. Let us understand each and every component of this tool. In the center is the core product or the core offering. Surrounding the core offerings are the 8 supplementary services. Supplementary services helps to differentiate a core product and create a competitive advantage. It also helps in enhancing the value and appeal of the core products. There are two types of supplementary services. The ones in black are called facilitating elements, while the ones in orange are enhancing element. We'll first start with facilitating elements. These are either needed for service delivery or help in the use of the core products. This includes information, order taking, billing, and payment. The first point is information. The customer often require information about how to obtain and use a particular product or services. So it is important to have a clear information on the following points, such as direction to the service site, schedule and the service hours, the price of the service, and at the end, it is important to have a usage instruction. Next point is order taking. Customer needs to know what is available and may want to secure commitment to delivery. The processes should be fast and smooth. It includes application to the service, reservation and check-in, and order taking. It is important for us to remember that all the processes should be fast and smooth and there should not be any complication. Third point is billing. Make sure that bill should be clear and accurate. Here we have taken two examples. On the left side, there is a bill with flat 50% discount. This bill makes clear to the customer that what amount he has to pay. Whereas on the right hand side, there is a scheme of 50 plus 50% discount. Avoid a bill with lot of calculation and complicated schemes. This might leave the customer feel that he is cheated and lead to service failure. Component in facilitating elements is payment. Customer may pay faster and more cheerfully if you make the transaction simple and convenient for them. Always involve methods such as self-service payment, automatic deduction, direct to pay. This type of method will allow the customer to move on as soon as the service is over, thus killing the waiting time. We move on to the second part of service flower, which are called as enhancing elements. Enhancing elements add extra value for the customer. This includes consultation, hospitality services, safekeeping, and exceptions. So let us start with consultation. Value can be added to goods and services by offering advice and consultation tailored to each customer's needs and situation. You can offer customized advice, in some cases, personalized counseling, and also go for management consultation. The selection of this depends upon the industry that you are operating into. Second element is hospitality service. Customer who invest time and efforts in visiting a business and using its services deserve to be treated as welcome guests. It is important that you offer greetings, food and beverages, waiting facilities and amenities, and security so that the customer is at peace and can enjoy the entire service. Third element is safekeeping. Customer prefer not to worry about looking after the personal possession that they bring with them to a service site. So it is important that you should provide certain facility to take care of the customer possession. Let the customer enjoy the process. The fourth element is exception. The customer appreciates some flexibility when they make special requests and accept responsiveness when things don't go according to plan. You should always accept some special request from the customer, should give compliments and solve the problem of the customer, always have a problem solving approach, and restitution, which is giving back the lost things to the customer. Let us see where we can use this tool in real life world. It is used to develop product policy, pricing strategy, also identifying which supplementary services should be offered as a standard package or as an option. Note that each flower petal must receive consistent care and concern to remain fresh and appealing so that it excites the customer. Thank you for watching this video. I would urge people, especially who are working in service industry, to use this tool and refresh your offering so that your service is more appealing to the customer.